Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the audio settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first, we want to click the power button twice, so 1 and 2. Here, we want to scroll down to audio. Here we only have two settings, which is the volume. We can increase the volume or we can decrease the volume, however we would like. Just press OK to actually save those settings. And here in the mute, we can mute the volume and overall audio from the monitor. And that's basically how you guys can manage both of those settings. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.